So, how many months in a year? 12. So, I over 12 to the power n, your period, your number of years, times 12. So, you divide your interest by 12 and you multiply your number of years by 12. And you'll see how it will affect the different problems. Daily. How many days in a year? 365. So, it would be plus I over 365 to the power n times 365. Everything else would stay the same. Right. Quarterly, how many quarters in a year? 4. So IP into 1 plus I over 4 to the power n times 4. And half yearly, A equals P into 1 plus I over. How many half years in a year? 2, not 6. Many of you go in the exam and you're going to put 6 because you say half yearly, there must be 6 months. You're not dividing it by 6. You're dividing it by how many half year periods are there in a year. So how many half year periods are there in a year? 2, not 6. And there we go. These are your formulas. This is how it affects our compoundings. Let's get started with a simple interest problem. And we say an item is bought. So here's your item. Here's your product that you are going to buy. Let's just put it. I'm not going to write the whole story out. I'm going to give you the most vital information that is required for the purpose of the show. Right. So here's the question in the exam. You buy a product, any product. You buy it on HP, or you buy furniture. You buy a lounge suite. You buy the product. The cost of the product is 10,000 rand. Okay. You take it on hire purchase, and you take it over a period of 5 years. And obviously, there's an interest of 15% per annum. Right. Question. Calculate calculate how much the product will cost at the end. Calculate the price of the product, or the final price of the product at the end. Right. And they're telling you it's hire purchase. Now, the minute they tell you it is hire purchase, we know what is it? Simple interest or compound interest? Go back to that mind map that I gave you. It must be simple interest. Right? Boys and girls, we are now cutting for an ad break. You've got 3 minutes now to answer this question. I'm sure everybody, when we get back from the ad break, we're then going to go through the memo. Boys and girls, enjoy the ad break, enjoy the show.